Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my first impressions of the Huda Beauty foundation sticks and the Naughty palette, as well as doing a mainly full face of Huda Beauty. So please keep watching if you want to see how I created this look and what I think of these two new products. So I'm actually going to start with the Huda Beauty Get Even Rose Oil. I haven't actually tried loads of Wishful Skin products yet. I've tried their enzyme scrub and that's so good. I really love that. I've also tried the honey balm, I think it is, like the facial moisturizer, and that's incredible. But this is the first time I'm using the Get Even Rose Oil, but I've heard nothing but positive things about this product. And if you watch my videos, you know that I love putting on oils as a base anyway. So we'll see how this one feels and how my makeup goes on. Okay, so next I'm just going to prime my eyes because I'm going to do my eyes first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Prime. So now we're going to go in with the Naughty palette. The Naughty palette. What? It is just really beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. It's literally got everything you would need for a bronze rose kind of look. I'm gonna kind of take it up and out. So now let's take Juicy and fan that out further. Oh my god, I wasn't seeing clear. That was so good though. I didn't notice. And I'm just blending up, right up towards my eyebrow. I'm gonna go in with some Untamed to just darken my crease area here because I want to do a cut crease. And I'll just set my eye with Pound Cake. Okay, cool. So now the fun begins. Let me start in my inner corner with Filthy. Now I'm gonna go in with Juicy and create a nice little ombre effect. And trust me, with these types of looks, you actually look crazy until the look is fully finished. So now let's take Naughty. So we're then gonna go from Naughty to Spicy, and we're gonna bring Spicy all the way out. So I'm kind of gonna switch between the two. Okay, cool. So now we've kind of got the matte side. I want to add a little bit of shimmer because I can't help myself. I'm going to grab Shameless and then I'm going to add that to my inner corners. It's not actually like glitter, it's like translucent glitter. So you can still see the colour. Now I'm just gonna add a lash. It's gonna be my Martine's Makeup Martine lash that I'm gonna add. Okay, so the lashes are on now. You can see here. I'm gonna put a bit of liner. It's not Huda Beauty liner. Move on to face. Okay, so next, the new product I'm going to be trying is the Huda Beauty foundation stick. I've actually got this foundation stick in my regular shade that I would have got in the foundation, brown sugar, but I have heard that they're not an exact match, so let's see. Brown sugar is also very much a tanning color for me, and I'm hella pale right now as well, so it's going to be double whammy. So let's see how this looks. Very smooth, and it does, to be fair, look like the same shade as brown sugar. I'm not gonna lie, it does look pretty similar. I don't know how much to put on. Let me do one side first. It's melting into my skin, so I really do like that. Love, actually. It's not as full coverage as the foundation, so I'm just gonna apply that to the rest of my face, but see the difference. My tan is back. My tan is back, thank God. And I've literally got so much redness at the moment in my skin. I'm not too sure why, but it's really playing me bad. But these really do melt. Like, I love the feeling of them. Okay, so I've added a little bit of color corrector under my eye, and now I'm gonna go in with granola. Granola has been one of my faves for a little while now. This is when the real transformation will take place, honey. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend that out. So we've done a little bit of a blendage there, and we'll just contour out our face here. I do really like this contour, to be honest. We'll take NYX's buffing brush to the rescue. Blend out. We'll take banana bread. I'm so annoyed. Look what happened to my brush because I washed it. Flawless. And then let's bronze up, and for this I'm going to use a Rodeo bronzer since I don't have a Huda Beauty bronzer. So now our powder is all gone. Let's move on to some highlighter. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter. I'm going to use Maldives. Quite a rosy girly look that we have, so I'm gonna bring it all the way up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a little bit of spritz of a hydrating spray. Cool. What I'm gonna do is do a little bit of nose contour and, you know, powder these areas. So I'm just gonna take this and then take my Tantor again. So at this point I could really see and feel that the rose oil mixed with this foundation was a bit too much hydration and moisture. The foundation stick is very creamy. I could really start to see more shine than what I was usually accustomed to at this point, and I could also see that it did oxidize and it was a little bit darker than what my brown sugar foundation was. Go on to pound cake. Sides of our nose. This brush has really messed up my life the way that it dried after I washed it. I don't know why this time it's done this. It's really irritating. It's so annoying. This here and put this underneath our eye. I'm gonna do the Dream Matte in Revolutionaire, Staycation, and then Shameless. Definitely a darker nude than what I'm used to, and I'm really trying to get it lighter by force. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and first impressions of the Huda Beauty foundation sticks and the Naughty palette. As I was saying in the earlier tutorial, I don't really prefer the foundation stick over the actual foundation, just because for these types of looks I would be looking for more of the coverage that the actual foundation would give me, but for a more natural look I would prefer the sticks. And the Naughty palette, Huda did it again. I always love a Huda palette. I've never not liked a Huda palette, so no change there. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.